Alright everybody, I'm waiting in line behind these two individuals. It's a fun ride with these two. They seem like they enjoy rides, so I'm waiting in line behind these two. Alright, so I'm sitting right here. This is a real earthquake. It's not a ride. This is the real thing. I'm sitting here, and any minute we're going to start this ride, and I'm going to have a great time. I typically don't get scared of these type of rides, so I'm expecting just a fun ride. Alright, here we are! We're on the ride! Alright, so there's a train coming right at us. I'm very scared.
Train crash, it's on fire!
There's been a train crash and it's on fire.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're experiencing a minor tremor.
There's a minor. Alright, I'm having a great time so far. There's some floor down here. This is my floor. There's something over there. Oh. He is loose. There's a gorilla. Help! There's a rat. There's an alligator down here. There's an alligator. Alright, I think we're good. Everybody, Dick 45, I'm on Earthquake the Ride. They're telling me not to worry. I'm terrified. There's a man right there. They're experiencing a major earthquake. Pretty good ride. I'm having a good time. Come on forward. There's water everywhere. These are really good effects. I don't know how they're doing this. These are really cool. Pretty good effects. Rats everywhere.